Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log out of Instagram account on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Instagram account on your phone, first open up the Instagram app, and from over here at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon on a small circle. Tap on that, and from over here at the top right corner of the screen tap on the tree-lined icon, and from over here you'll be required to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and over here it says the logout. Tap on that logout button, and again tap on the logout, and there guys, we have successfully logged out of our account. If you want to remove that account, tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and from over here you'll be able to remove that profile also. And there guys, this is how to log out of your Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.